back to IFX daily Academy's daily analysis on BTC USD. So guys, on Friday we were just buying to sell this, and what happened? The price came up just to come back down again. It's very simple and very easy. And for today, what are we going to do? I'll just jump to the 4H because the picture is not clear on the 1H. So guys, let's keep it simple. So the area that was supporting us, it should now become resistance. And as long as we're below this, I keep on selling it. And my daily targets would be very simple. My first target would be 108590, and my second target would be 107446. Okay, guys, and if only we break above this, I would start buying, and my early target for today would be 111541. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this way, and see you guys tomorrow.